the white supremacists have the strongest religion in the world. It's called the religion of white supremacy. Sometimes black people become confused, and they'll say Christianity is the white supremacist religion. That's because the white supremacists wear crosses sometimes, and they burn crosses, or they call them lighting crosses.
Yes.
So they give that impression. The system of white supremacy has nothing to do with Christianity, Islam, Buddhism, Judaism. See, this is all confusion that the white supremacists do. They will embrace or propose or preach about any religion, including religions you never even heard of. They'll call themselves Jehovah's Witnesses or whatnot. They'll call themselves Zen Buddhists. They'll call themselves anything. Because why? They are masters of deception. But what they believe in and what they actually practice is the religion of white supremacy. Put that in capital letters. That's the code analysis of it. That's the name of their religion. They don't have a religion other than that. But they pretend that they have any kind of religion that they get you to believe that they believe in. They don't believe in anything except white supremacy. You can't be a white supremacist and believe in any other kind of religion other than white supremacy. That's why it's called white supremacy. It's a supreme religion. It's a supreme politics. It's a supreme way of so-called economic system and educational system and sexual system. I mean, they took over all of the areas of activity of the non-white people. But they'll have you going to this place and going to that place and whatnot. But they'll say, hey, I don't care where you go. I dominate everything you do. If you're a black person and you have a church, you don't really have a church. You come under me. You think you have a church. I gave you your church, and I can burn it down anytime I get ready. Or I can just simply tell you, you're not building no more churches, and you will obey me because I'm your God. You don't have another one. And every now and then I have to remind you people, you dark-skinned people, talking about you're Buddhists and you're Muslims and you're this. Oh, yes. But I'm the person. My religion trumps every one of your religions, including all of you that think you can come up with a new religion. Why? Because I got control of you if you have color in your skin.